Hey, welcome to my review of the Auxito LED headlight retrofit bulbs. I found these on Amazon. They were less than $50 and they seem like the best option there. So I'm hoping these work out. My car that I'm installing them on is the 2016 Accord Sport. As you can see, the front end has a lot of LED lights as it is. It's got LED fog lights, LED running lights, and it comes standard from the factory with the projector headlights, but it does not have HID or LED. It has standard halogen bulbs. So this retrofit, this would be a nice upgrade, and I feel like they kind of meant for you to do that when they built this car. So anyways, initially I am impressed with the quality of them. This piece, just to give you an idea, this is like the ballast. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but this is metal piece. This is not plastic. So that shows that these guys aren't messing around. This part has this heat sink, which looks to be billet aluminum or something of that sort. Looks good quality. They do have fans, and then the diodes up here, you can see they're both pretty close together compared to some other styles, and that's good because that mimics the standard halogen bulb or an HID bulb, not to have the diodes too far apart. So anyways, they look good. Hopefully they look good on the car. The one thing that is kind of throwing me off is right here. This is the size or the style of bulb. My car takes H11. This one says it goes on H8, H9, and H11. I'm not too familiar with headlight sizes, but hopefully I don't run into any issues with the install. Okay, well, I'm pleased to say there were no issues with installation whatsoever. That three-prong design on the halogens was exactly the same as what came with the LEDs. The connections in the back were the same as well, so I literally was able to just plug them in with my two hands. You didn't really need any tools for this. Here's how they look on the car. Up against the wall, it does appear that the LEDs are brighter. When taking them on the road, it was much harder to tell any sort of difference between the LEDs and the halogens. Here's the LEDs, and I would note that it was a much darker night when I filmed it with the LEDs. And also, it wasn't a very good comparison because I did leave the LED fog lights on during both the halogen and the LED videos. Here's that last part again. These are with the halogens, and then these are with the LEDs. There's really probably no difference at all. My only other complaint is that the light temperature is 6,500 K on these, so it makes the light look very white, almost have a bluish tint. And that, by comparison, makes that LED running light look a little bit more amber, or just not quite the same hue. That's of course not a big deal. I'm more just nitpicking with that. I do really like the way they look, and for $50, I don't think I could have picked a better upgrade for the car. They also advertise that they last 50,000 hours, which is a lot longer than what standard halogens or HIDs will last. So overall, a good value. I would recommend these to anybody else.